Hi everyone, I hope you are enjoying your life. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. This is just one slide, you can use it in your presentation. You see it has a great transition. Now let's create it. At first we need to add a new slide. In our new slide we format the background and set all the background to this blue you see. And then apply it to all. You see the background color is changed, but we make it back. I like the last blue. Okay. After that, we need to create these two shapes. How we can create them? It's really easy. We just need to use one rectangle by holding Shift and then copy it to create another one, but with a different. We must align it center, align it middle, and then rotate it exactly here, and then increase it into middle. Now we need to decrease in size. We hold Ctrl and Shift to decrease it. Now press both of them and set fragment. Our shape is ready, but we need to do some modification. First thing is that we need to add shadows to this thing. This is important to add the shadow to the right place, here right and here left. It's very important. Left. Everything is ready. Now we need to change the color. I'm going with white and black. You see, now it's just a text. I copy them, paste them here. Everything is ready. Now for the text in the next slide, we copy this slide, hold this thing, press Ctrl and increase it in size. But you see, by increasing Ctrl we have a problem. For that, what should we do? At first we hold Shift and Ctrl and increase it in the same size, and the Shift and Ctrl and increase it in the same size. Now we just simply copy the text that I already from the past. It's just a simple text and nothing more. We delete the past text. Okay, we delete it, delete, and paste it, and then set the transition to morph. Now let's run it. You see it's looking pretty amazing. If you like this kind of slides presentation, you can find many of them in my channel. Until then, have a nice